Okay, I'm here, and there she is. Unbelievable. It's like I am so busy these days, and I just didn't think I wanted to get into another project, but I've always wanted to do this. So I don't really know what I'm getting into, to be honest. Done a lot of research, but I know a lot less than I should, and I'm hoping that Vali Motorsport's going to figure out the rest of the formula here. So yeah, this is my new car. Just finished paying for her. Surprisingly good shape interior. Like all of this stuff is in decent nick. So the car is not running right now. It has a broken head stud, and that's okay because my plan is to make this a 3.8, which basically means all new parts. So gonna drop it off today at Valley. So waiting for the tow truck to get here right now. And the big positives of this car, so this is a 1990 C2, and it has had the wide body treatment, which means these metal, believe it or not, metal fenders have been, panels have been added to widen the car. The wheels I actually like a lot. I might keep these wheels. And then the rest of it is in pretty... I'm like divided on keeping the back seats or just doing that super minimalist, roll cage.
Yeah.
Because Valley does like this really cool roll cage that they make themselves, and it's super clean. It's like you almost don't even see it from the outside. You have to like go inside to see it. It's very tucked in on the outsides. It's super tasteful.
Upholster it too.
Yeah, you could upholster it, get some leather.
I mean, that would be pretty sweet. If you do no back seat with the cage and then upholster the cage to match whatever you do with the front seats.
That's going to be a better look, right? Yeah.
Because you could even do like the top portion of the bar matching the perforated headliner.
Yeah.
And then have the stitch and then match the rest of the stuff.
That would be nice.
So like if you do the top bar and the down bars matching the headliner.
Yeah.
Cool.
So like here's some ideas. I'll read them off to you and you tell me if you think this is insane. So really what I'm going for is like between 320 to 350 at the wheel. Okay. I think that's realistic with the 3.8. So we're going to do the 3.8, the Molly kit. I'm thinking of doing coil and plug.
I prefer that.
It's so clean.
Every car.
But the problem is it adds so much more layers. Like you can't use the ECU anymore. You have to go to Motec or something like that,
So that one guy that I sent you, Adam, I think they did a Motec, but I have seen there was a car for
he did do a Motec, yeah.
Yeah, and then there was a twin plug car that was on a Link ECU, which was interesting because now we've all switched all the import cars that we're doing like turbo swaps on. They're all Link ECU because AEM sold out to Holly. So then they ramped up their pricing, but Link is still European made, and we've switched all our stuff to Link for like all the Japanese cars. Like everything has a Link ECU now. And then I saw there was a 3.8 that sold with ITBs and that was on a Link ECU. I was like, oh,
interesting.
Okay, I don't know if they have a plug and play or if they get a harness and they just pin it to match the Link ECU. Because in terms of like the items that the motor has, it's a 6-cylinder NA. If you have a crank trigger or a flywheel trigger, you pick one and you wire it to the ECU, it'll still do the same.
Right.
And you can set the firing order in the ECU. We did that on the Ferrari. We set the firing order in the AEM ECU for the Ferrari.
Nice.
Because Ferrari runs twin Bosch ECUs.
Nice.
Per bank. We wanted to run one ECU to control both banks, both drivers.
What car is that? Is that a two? Oh, yeah.
It's a full 288 tribute car, extended wheelbase to match a 288.
Very cool.
Box, 360 Modena drivetrain, twin turbo on an AEM.
Nice. Yeah, that's pretty sick. That's such a classic
that makes
look.
500 wheel horsepower on 5 psi.
No.
On pump gas.
What?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
We have it plumbed and everything for E85, but we made that power and we're like, dude, there's no point. The car weighs 2,900
That's
pounds.
insane.
Yeah.
Then I'm thinking of doing the Super Cup cams from the RSR. I don't really know.
Yeah, for NA, I mean, all the RSR stuff is ideal.
And then an oil cooler probably, and the bumper kind of has like a spot for it.
Yeah, Yeah, yeah.
You know, you could totally put it right there.
CSF makes really good, like low profile. Like they do a lot of stuff now for like the new modern BMWs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's a dual pass, like.
I think that's the guy I met. The guy that owns CSF. You know, he's built his own like really cool
They did
air.
one for Toyo a couple years back for
Yeah.
SEMA. But they make really good oil coolers that are double pass.
Yeah.
Slim.
Yeah.
You could probably fit it in it. It's essentially like that length.
I think this is the toe. I think this is the toe. Hello.
Yes, my name is Mike. I'm with Gears Towing with AAA.
Hi.
Hello, sir. I just arrived here.
Okay, great.
Porsche.
Yep. We're in the drive. We're not in that first driveway. We're in the second driveway. There's some like. Oh, here you are. You're right here. Okay, good.
Attainable, the world's cheaper than a Motec.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Because on the Motec, you have to buy license per license. So like, you buy the ECU, and it's locked. Then you have to buy the license to unlock it. Then you have to buy the license because you have this sensor. And then that's why they always say Motec's like 10 grand.
Oh shit, I didn't realize that. I thought it was just like, buy the ECU.
It's not open.
Oh.
It's not an open source. You have to pay because it's motorsport.
I see.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm a little trapped here. Let me see, how do I get out of this mess? All right. I am here at Vali Motorsport out in Corona, California. As you can see, this is a little bit of a Porsche heaven. Some pretty crazy sick cars here, and there is my ride up on the lift. Looks like it's missing something. Yeah, looks like the motor's already come out. Pretty crazy, pretty insane. Yeah, so if you haven't been following, we basically picked this up from Just Driven a few weeks ago and brought it down here to Vali, who is going to do a full Restomod for me. Check out these wheels, Workmeister wheels. So I'm waiting to talk to Vali himself and go over the plan for the car. Basically, the body work is essentially already dialed in. We're not going to change that. We are going to fully respray the car. It's going to be a full paint job. And we're rebuilding the motor, transmission, changing all the brakes and suspension, just doing a bunch of stuff essentially. So yeah, stay tuned.
So I kind of have to time everything where, you know, like, okay, you're doing the paint, you're doing the body, you know, you're doing the fabrication and aluminum work, and, you know, we're going to do the center console, the panel, all that stuff over there. So it's literally like 5 different people that need to work on it. It's mechanic, you know, body paint, upholster, and then fabricator. What I was planning to do, I was thinking to make the cage bolt-in where you can like just remove it.
Okay.
So meaning like, you know, it's gonna be from this car. See, this is all like bolt-in, like where you can take it apart.
Yep.
And just pull it out. See, like it's got another plate like right here on the bottom.
Nice.
And one over there in the front.
Yeah.
You're not gonna need this one right here. It's gonna be just.
Wow, this is custom. This is something you guys built. That's crazy. That is really clean.
Yeah.
That is really amazing.
This is what I'm telling you. Like that's gonna take, you know, to do the interior. So basically, That's how it needs to look.
Right. Yeah. Everything has to come out.
So now I can show you the pile that came from the inside of this car.
How many hours do you think it takes to remove everything and then put everything back in?
To remove it's probably faster than
Right. Yeah. Of course.
like
Right.
always, but it's at least like 2.5 days. You know, like
2.5
just
days to remove?
3 days to remove.
To remove.
everything. But to put back, it's a little bit more because like you kind of have to like.
If you want to take out all the dashboard and everything, this car here is more complicated than new cars.
This is a
996.
996.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So right now
They look so much better when the headlight's not on the car.
Yeah. No, I hear you. 100%.
Man, I love this roll cage. I almost want it.
Yeah.
This is super cool.
Yeah, so see, like that's what I'm saying. Like with the roll bar that you're gonna have on the car. I mean, look at how nice this guy welds. I mean, you know, like it's almost like you don't wanna.
Oh
Not
gosh.
sure,
Oh yeah, I
you know,
totally
but-
would want to see that. Yeah, I
Yeah.
totally want to see that. Yeah. Beautiful. Man, I love the geometry of this too. This is super cool.
Yeah, we designed this like basically.
Man, that is amazing. Very
See, like,
nice.
Like try to keep like close right here. See like.
Yes. That is really cool.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.